Welcome to Straw. Did you know that a simple cut triggers an intricate biological symphony? Let's explore. When tissue injury occurs, acute inflammation begins. Histamine and cytokines like TNF widen blood vessels, causing redness and heat, while fluid leakage creates swelling. Leukocytes rush in, guided by chemotaxis to trap pathogens through opsonization and phagocytosis. But healing follows. Fibroblasts weave collagen to rebuild tissue, forming new vessels and scar material. However, chronic inflammation fuels atherosclerosis. Damaged artery walls let LDL cholesterol enter, becoming oxidized. Macrophages devour this debris, transforming into foam cells to create fatty streaks. These evolve into unstable atheroma plaques, where a rupture risks thrombus formation and heart attacks. This reveals how your body both defends and repairs itself until balance fails. Looking forward to connect with you.